The chip. Can a chip replace our current payment system? Nowadays we use many different payment methods, for example cash, credit cards and more. These systems are not safe. Wallets are stolen, people forget their PIN codes and germs get spread because of coins and banknotes. We will change this. It's our vision to develop a simple, safe and global payment system. We want to realize this with a chip in the right wrist. Max goes to the supermarket with his new implanted chip. At the entrance and the exit, Max gets registered automatically. The purchase gets debited directly from his bank account. On the way home he meets his friend Jonah. He owes him €20 from the weekend and he clears it by handshaking. Max's little brother Felix just got his pocket money and goes straight away to the kiosk to buy some beer. Thanks to chip banking, Felix doesn't need an ID card anymore because his chip contains all his personal information. His mother is glad that Felix is not able to buy vodka. Join us to start a revolutionary chapter. Get the new chip for free in one of our 500,000 public shops to change the future of payment with us. The chip, under your skin.